What is going on, everyone? I hope you are all having a fantastic day. So with all of the buzz around cryptocurrencies recently, we have seen a ton of different crypto trading platforms pop up on the market, and have even seen established companies like Robinhood expanding into this new type of investment. So as your resident SoFi fanboy, I thought it was only appropriate that I spend some time talking about SoFi's cryptocurrency trading platform. So today, let's talk about what you're able to do with SoFi's crypto platform, what you're not able to do, and actually dive into my SoFi Invest app to show you how you can get started with trading cryptocurrencies on SoFi today. All right, let's jump right into it. So really quick, as I've said before in past videos, I do think that there is a lot of potential for cryptocurrencies in the future. That being said, it would be wrong of me to not caution you and remind you that this can be an extremely volatile place to invest your money. So this video is absolutely not investing advice, and I'm not even talking about specific cryptos in particular, but I do want to share with you a platform that I think is a really great tool to get started if you are interested in trading cryptos. Okay, so the SoFi crypto platform was launched not too long ago, and when it was first announced, it was very limited in terms of what cryptos you were actually able to trade. And really, it was just the big ones like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and a few others. But just recently, they added 15 new coins to the 5 that they originally started with, which is why I now decided to make this video. And they also have plans to continue adding more cryptocurrencies to the platform in the near future. Alright, so let's jump into the SoFi app to show you what the cryptocurrency platform looks like and how you can get started trading immediately. So I will tell you right now that the SoFi crypto platform is simply an extension of your SoFi Invest account, which I've talked about in a ton of other videos. First, you'll want to go ahead and open up that SoFi Invest account, and if you haven't yet done that, there is a link down in the description below that will allow you to get $50 worth of a stock of your choice when you open and fund your SoFi Invest account. But maybe you haven't yet moved money from your SoFi Money account into your SoFi Invest account, and you will need to do that in order to trade cryptos. So if we go to the Investing tab in my app, you can see that I currently only have about $100 in here right now because I personally keep all of my investments in Wealthfront since that platform is fully automated. But for the time being, Wealthfront does not offer any cryptos, and also this is not really something that I want to be investing a significant amount of money in. So a platform like SoFi and SoFi Crypto is a fantastic place to do just that. So what you can do is click the Add Cash button in the top left corner of the screen, and the great thing about having a SoFi Money account is you can instantly transfer money directly into your SoFi investing account, and as I've said a million times before in other videos, that is a great example of why I and so many others love the SoFi platform as a whole. Now, of course, you're also able to link an external bank account if you want to, or if you don't have a SoFi Money account, but you are going to have to wait several days for that money to actually be moved and show up and be ready to invest. Alright, so as you can see here, I only keep my 6-month emergency fund of about $36,000 in my SoFi Money account, and that's just because I have a majority of my net worth invested at all times. But I'm a little bit over that of what I need for my emergency fund currently, so let's move about $1,000 into my SoFi Invest account so that we can start trading some cryptos. And I'm just going to do that one-time transfer, but you can also set up recurring deposits if you want to have that money automatically moved over on a regular basis. So you can click the Review Deposit, make sure that everything looks good, and then boom, everything is instantly transferred. And as you can see, I now have $1,100 ready to be invested in my SoFi Invest account. Alright, so now that we have some money that's in there and is ready to be invested, let's take a look at some of the cryptocurrencies that you can actually buy and how to go about doing that. So to get to the crypto section, you can hit the search button at the top of the screen and then select the crypto option under the collections menu. And on this screen, not only are you able to view the 20 cryptocurrencies that you can currently buy on the SoFi crypto platform, but you can also view a ton of other types of cryptocurrencies to check on the prices. For example, I'm really interested in XRP, which is Ripple, and while I'm not able to currently trade that on the SoFi platform, I can check the price, and of course, I'm always also curious about Dogecoin, so I can also check the price on that, and hopefully these are other cryptocurrencies that they will be adding to the trading option in the near future. But going back to the top of the screen, you can see that not only do you have those bigger names that I mentioned earlier in the video, but you also have a lot of other lesser known coins like Cardano, Chainlink, Cosmos, and a ton of others. So once you've done your research and you understand what crypto you want to buy, actually making that purchase is super easy. But really quick, before we start putting our money into cryptocurrencies, I do feel that I should mention that you can actually actually go back to the main investing tab, and there are a ton of great educational resources on what cryptocurrencies are and how to safely and responsibly invest your money in them without losing all of your money. Okay, so now that we've gotten that responsible message out of the way, let's go back to the crypto menu, and let's say that I want to buy some Ethereum. So I can click the Buy Now button, and I can decide whether I want to buy fractions of a coin as a dollar amount, or you can swipe to the coins option and decide how many Ethereum coins you would like to purchase. So let's say I want to buy $500 worth of Ethereum. Well, I can just type in $500, which at the moment is just 0.2 Ethereum, and if this is your first time buying cryptos on the SoFi platform, then you will just have to go through this agreement and make sure that you understand what is going on here. And again, it's just going to remind you what digital currencies are and that they can be a very risky investment. But once you've reviewed that, you're then brought to this review screen where you can double check everything and make sure that it all looks good and you're making the transaction that you meant to make. And then you'll get one last warning that yes, cryptocurrencies are a very speculative investment. And then you can go ahead and click buy at the bottom of the screen, and there you go. We just purchased $500 worth of Ethereum. And once again, you're also able to set up recurring investments if you really believe in the particular cryptocurrency that you are buying. And on that note, I will just remind you that if you have a substantial amount of money that you are willing to invest, then you should probably be doing that elsewhere first and just using cryptocurrencies as some of your fun money and a way to diversify your portfolio. But that is just my suggestion and is not investing advice. It's just what works for me. Now, if we go back to the main screen and scroll down to my holdings, it says that not only do I have my $500 in Ethereum, but I also have $10 in Bitcoin now. And that's because at the moment, SoFi will currently give you $10 worth of free Bitcoin when you make your first crypto purchase. So not the biggest deal in the world, but hey, it's still some free Bitcoin and who knows what that could be worth in the future. So that is a nice perk if you are currently looking at getting started with the SoFi crypto platform. So I love the free Bitcoin, but just for the sake of showing you how all of this works, you can then click on your holdings, whether that's Bitcoin or some other cryptocurrency, and in order to sell, you simply click the sell button at the bottom of the screen, and once again, just type in how much you would like to sell of your total holdings. Now, in this case, because they only gave me $10 worth of Bitcoin, that is a very small fraction of what a whole Bitcoin is currently worth, so they are saying that my only option is to sell all of it, which is fine, so you can go ahead and click the sell button, make sure you review everything and that it all looks right, and then once again, that trade is going to be immediately placed and approved, and you are good to go, and we just sold our Bitcoin that easily. So I wouldn't say that this platform is anything special in terms of offering you a huge variety of cryptocurrencies or a crypto wallet or anything like that. But once again, SoFi is integrating another financial opportunity with their other financial tools that they offer, and if you already have a SoFi Invest account, then the crypto platform is something that is basically instantly available to you. So I would love to hear what you think of the SoFi crypto platform down in the comment section below, and if you are thinking about checking it out, then once again, be sure to use that link down in the description below to get $50 worth of a stock of your choice when you open and fund your SoFi Invest account so that you can start trading cryptos today. As always, if you did get value out of this content and you want to help support me, it would mean a lot to me if you would hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with someone who you think would get value out of this content as well. And as always, thank you so much for your time. I really do appreciate it so much. Take it easy, and I'll see you in the next one.